Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing the Kendall Verte's hair and makeup tutorial, and like it's different to her like head shots because I know she's from Dance Moms, but then like she's also a singer. And yeah, let's jump right into the video.
I'm going to be taking my Too Faced foundation in Snow, and I'm just blending it all throughout my skin. And I take my Too Faced concealer in the same shade Snow, and I'm just applying this under my eyes, and I'm just blending it in to prevent under eye circles or any blemishes that I have on my face. Then I take my Mary Kay pressed powder, and I'm just blending it all throughout my face and blend it down my neck a little bit. Then I take my Too Faced eyeshadow concealer and prime my eyes, and I rub it in with my ring fingers. My Carly by Val palette, and I'm using the shade called Cindy, and I apply it onto my base. And then I take the shade called Boy, and I am applying it and blend it into my crease, and I blend it also in my lower lash line. Then I take the shade called Mandala and put it into my eyelid, and I'm also taking the shade called Jode, and I'm also blending it into my outer V. Then I take the shade called Yora, and I apply it onto my inner corner as a highlight. Then I take my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I apply it onto my top and bottom lashes. Then I take my Too Faced lipstick in Granny Panties, and I apply this onto my lips. Then I take my Too Faced setting spray and spray my makeup. Then I brush out my hair to get rid of the knots, and I spray heat protectant on my hair and brush it out to the straight with that. Then I curl my hair with the Remington curling one, and I curl my hair away from my face, leaving it there for a few seconds. And I'm flipping my wrist, wrap it around and flip, wrap it around and flip, girl. And yeah, and I'm fast forwarding it. Then I brush out my hair to make it a little bit more loose, and I spray Tresemme hairspray all throughout my curls to make sure they will last all day.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
Lights, camera, action!
Of Kendall K's song. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing the Kendall K Verte's hair and makeup tutorial, and then I'm just like comparing to her like photo shoot, like where she does, oh sorry. I have no eternity. Oh wait, I do. Don't mind me. I'll just hang around till you decide.